Hi, my name is Lindsay.
And I'm Liz.
And we're part of the design team here at Empire. We're going to show you how we transformed 4 of our different model homes across Atlanta, Texas, North Carolina, and Ontario from their current design and repurpose them into feel-good and practical spaces to make your home more functional.
The last room Lindsay and I reimagined is the laundry room in Ontario.
The original design for the laundry room in Ontario was your standard laundry room. It had a sink-based cabinet, your washer and dryer, and then they added additional storage by providing the baskets on top of the washer and dryer.
So we really felt like this space needed some additional storage. We also really wanted to add some interest and freshen the space up.
The way that Liz and I transformed the laundry room was by providing a lot of additional storage. So we started with adding pedestals to the washer and dryer, which raise them and provides that additional clothes storage below. We also added clothes storage above the washer and dryer by adding wall cabinets to that space.
We also wanted to provide some floating shelves. So this is a great way to display decorative baskets, pretty canisters, towels, and then we also did a rod underneath the shelf so that you can hang dry your clothes as needed. So the laundry room is all about function, but we also wanted to make it beautiful and a space you want to show off. Ways we did this was we added a really cool light fixture on the ceiling, and then we added this beautiful dusty blue runner.
We also added a brushed gold faucet and brushed gold cabinet hardware just to really give the space a little pop. So something that the homeowner might not think of in the laundry room would be adding that additional rod over the sink. This provides just an area to hang dry clothes and additional storage in that location.
Also, adding the pedestals under the washer and dryer is a great way to maximize your storage without taking up a lot of space, and it also raises the washer and dryer so that it's easier for you to reach.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to find out which room we transform next.
For more design inspiration, guides, and how-tos, be sure to follow along on social and visit our Everyday Beautiful blog.